Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Today, we are going to the audition. I will start from the little step. So please explain for this one.
Okay, for this week's on Monday and Tuesday, we study about little steps. What unit 9? What do plus we need to grow? Okay. For on Monday, we study about unit 9 about key word about plants, sun, soil, water, and air. And how about the checkpoint question? About checkpoint question, what do plants need to grow? And then plants need plants need soil, sun, water, and air to grow. Okay, next for the next question is about daffodils, about the story, right? This about the story about one little daffodils. Okay, how about the checkpoint question is? The checkpoint question is about how many daffodils are there in the story? There are 10 daffodils are there in the story. Okay, about the key language is about how many daffodils that you can see. Okay, that one is for on Monday. On Tuesday we study about unit 92 about what do plus with the. But for this, it's about key vocabulary is about tat, belt, daffodils, door, crown, and life. How about the checkpoint question is? The checkpoint question is about why do plants need water so they don't dry out and can get food from the soil. Okay, the next second question. The second checkpoint question is about the first. We tell to the student about key vocabulary about soil, shovel, hole, water, watering can, and dig. Okay, how about the checkpoint question? What do we need?
Can you repeat the key vocabularies?
Okay, soil, shovel, hole, water, dig, watering can. Okay, how about checkpoint question? What do we need to plant a seed? Okay, we need seed, soil, shovel, and water to plant a seed. It's also about checkpoint question for little step.
Okay, for the checkpoint question, you have review, right? I mean, like before turning to the lesson, before you give the CP questions, there are some CP questions that you will review. That you review, right, for this week, right? From the previous. Can you mention this?
Okay, so about 7 until 11 April, right? About checkpoint question like this. What is the characteristic of trentoids? The characteristic of trentoids is yellow, all, and slow. And
Wait,
next,
what unit did you review?
it's about unit 8. What do we move? What do we move to another place? To another like this. About a vehicle, right? Still a vehicle.
What else?
And then, what is the characteristic of boat? A boat is wet. It goes on the water. It's fast. Okay. The next, how many boats that you can see pictures, right? Okay, they remember, right? It's about pictures about the boat. How many? There are 40 boats that are there in the picture. Are there in the touch board? Okay, and the next and the last is about picture. Where does the ship go? The ship goes on the water.
So you just review from 24 to 28.
Yeah.
The LP
Yes.
for what session?
Yes.
Okay. So for our science, what do you do? What do you do?
For this week, yesterday we did a special activity, right? It's about plants, about animals matching quiz. Okay, there are some steps, right? Teachers makes this special activity to recognize the students about the difference of animals and based on their habitat. Okay, for this week, teachers provided for this week the teachers has provided pictures card of animals and pictures card of habitat. Okay, teachers put some of the picture about habitat and animals in the table, right? And then teachers
Include the white.
into the word what?
Include the wild animal. What kind of animal?
but only about the not specific, not specify the animal, just classify animals and their habitat. Okay, but the animals is like cat, cow, rabbit, horse, and then about the habitat like house, like cat, right, and tiger in the forest or in jungle, fish in the water or sea. Okay, teachers divided two, right, 2 by 2, and then teacher asked about the question like this: what animal? Where does the tiger use that you can see tiger? We can see tiger in the jungle, right? Like we can see from the video, right? And then where does a cat that you can see is usually, right? I can see cat in my house only for animals and their habitats. Okay, who can answer so many about the habitat animal? They are the winner, right? Like that.
So what do you hope that they will get from the special activity?
For the special activity, I hope they can recognize about the different of animals and their habitat based on their habitat. They know that tiger in the jungle, cat in our house, or fish in the sea or in the water. I mean like that.
Okay, for the reviewing CP questions, can you mention?
Okay,
For
for
science.
24 and 28 March 2025 is about what animal that you can can you give me example about animals on the land? Yes, I can. There are cow, cat, horse, and rabbit. And the next question, what can you find? The animal that you can find in the garden. I can find butterfly, bee, and ladybug. It's about only about animals on the land and we can find in the garden. Okay, the next question, right? The question about 7 until 11 April. What animals can fly and can swim? It's about what animals can fly and has colorful wings. Butterfly can fly and has colorful wings. And the next question, what animals can swim and has fins? Fish can swim and has fins. And the next question is about animals lay egg and then wait please, about animals can be our pets. What animals can be our pets? There are cat, rabbit, fish can be our pets, such as arowana and goldfish. Okay, miss. And then about animals lay egg and give birth. But only one question, right? What animals has lay egg? Turtle and bird has lay egg. Only like that, have lay egg. But rainbow says about only review and do space activity. Sanskrit is about unit 5, if it is. For example, if lip, hip, shift, rib. For it, sit, fit, hit, fit. For it, sick, make, fix. Yes.
How many sounds?
4, 4, 3.
4, 4, 3.
So 11, right? For if, for if 4, for it 4, for 6, for x 3.
I asked the sounds of the words.
The sound if, it, x.
So 3. Alright, for the project, do you have the project for this week?
Okay, checkpoint question about Rainbow Sciences special activity. ASP Science.
ASP Science.
Iya. Tentang alat komunikasi. Jadi guru membuat special activity tentang alat komunikasi. Guru meminta siswa untuk menebak contoh alat komunikasi apa yang dipertanyakan oleh guru. Jadi di sini guru menyiapkan beberapa pertanyaan tentang alat-alat komunikasi. Tentang apa? Tentang ciri-ciri atau karakter yang disebutkan, pertanyaan yang disebutkan ciri-ciri dari alat komunikasi apa yang disebutkan oleh guru. Jadi guru meletakkan gambar beberapa alat komunikasi, kemudian guru membagi dua murid untuk berdiri mendengarkan pertanyaan dari guru, masing-masing 3-3, jadi 6 kan Miss. Kemudian guru bertanya kepada siswa, aku adalah alat komunikasi yang bisa mendengarkan musik, berita, dan yang lain-lain. Aku sering digunakan pada zaman dahulu kala dan jarang digunakan untuk sekarang ini. Apakah aku? Jadi guru menyebutkan ciri-cirinya. Apakah aku? Siapa yang bisa menjawab? Mereka akan diberi poin. Aku adalah radio. Contoh yang pertama. Yang kedua, pertanyaan yang kedua. Aku adalah alat komunikasi yang digunakan dengan melihat gambar, video, berita maupun yang lainnya. Aku tidak bisa digunakan untuk berkomunikasi secara langsung. Aku adalah alat yang canggih. Apakah aku? Televisi. Jadi tumis pertanyaan itu tentang televisi, radio, koran, telepon genggam, dan surat.
Untuk ASP bahasa?
ASP bahasa itu guru menanya beberapa.
Oke, sebelum ASP bahasa, sebelumnya. Apa hasil karakter yang misalkan lihat dari mereka selama
ASP saya antusias untuk mengerjakan sesuatu, untuk menjawab pertanyaan dari guru, dan komunikasi mereka menjadi lebih aktif. Antusias dan aktif. Apa? Antusias aja di
Oke, untuk ASP bahasa?
ASP bahasa mengenai alat komunikasi, guru menjelaskan kepada siswa tentang penggunaan alat komunikasi dan meminta siswa untuk mengeja suku kata, contoh suku kata. Jadi guru hanya menanyakan dari checkpoint question dari beberapa pertanyaan dari beberapa minggu lalu. Contohnya, apa kegunaan koran? Koran digunakan untuk membaca berita, untuk mendapatkan berita dan membacakan cerita. Itu kegunaannya kan, bisa menggunakan alat komunikasi. Kemudian dalam ASP bahasa itu guru memfokuskan untuk cara membaca suku kata. Contohnya checkpoint questionnya itu, coba kamu sebutkan alat komunikasi apa yang suku kata awalnya itu telepon atau televisi. Jadi hanya fokus ke kegunaan komunikasi dengan cara membaca, itu ASP bahasa.
Practical life?
How to sweep the floor?
How to do that?
Actually, this is different life. We need a filter, right, and then a floor, and then a cup. Flour, and then cup. Small cup, and then put flour inside the cup, and then put how to filter, how to sweep the floor, like this. Before we do students to come to in front to do that one, we open the video.
You open the video?
Yes, open the video from the YouTube, how to sweep the floor.
So what is it?
Cup. That one is filter about how to do that one, right? And then
How to
sweep the floor, and then flour, right? And then only like this, only three. We don't need to buy recipe.
So what will they get after doing this?
They can do it properly. They can do sieve the flour properly and nicely.
Properly and nicely? Like how?
Like if their mommy to make a cake inside their home, and then they already know how to sieve the flour, right?
Sieve the flour.
Yes.
Not floor, yeah.
Flour.
Also. Flour. You can check later the pronunciation. Okay, I'm opening now the book of Little Step, page 150. Please you explain this.
Okay, but this one, teachers explains about what do plants need to grow. We can see, right? What can you see from this picture? There are two people how to plant a seed, right? Or the other right plants a flower or the other. Okay, before we see the picture, we can see together how to say some of vocabulary from this. Okay, say plant, sun, soil, water, air. Okay, from this we can open from this. How to say the pronunciation is, we can open the application, right? And then see, and then say and see. Okay. You know, right? Plants need to grow. Plants need something to grow. Okay, plants. What is these plants? Plants is living things that need sun, soil, water, and air. We know, right? Plant is a nature. Okay, you know sun, right? The plants are like us, still need sun. Okay, sun can rise to the plants. Okay, before we seed the plant, we need soil. You know soil, right? You can dig soil. The color is the soil is brown. You put the seed, okay, and then you can put the seed in the soil, and then water, okay. Water, plants need water, same like us because plant and people need water. Okay, after you plant a seed, you can give water like us. Okay, and then the air. Okay, the air is like the nature from our God. Okay, all of these needs for plant.
I think that's all for the evaluation today. Miss, I have an eraser here. For this book, the chapter, this chapter 9, yes. Yeah. You could describe the pictures and explain each of them, like plants, sun, soil,
But
water,
on
and
the
air.
board, because there's
And for the first step also you could remember the key vocabularies and you could explain and mention and explain about the city question, the special activity for radio science too. Just the character you need to remember. Only that. For all, I think there wasn't any problem. Just now it was clear. So you must be good result.